Hello everyone, it's Miss Ksenia with you. Today we have an English lesson and we are going to practice our A and F sounds. A from letter E and F from letter F. Let's start. This is our E letter. A, E, A, E. Repeat, please. A, E, A, E. This is our F letter. F, F, F. F, F, F. F, F, F. Good job. And then let's say the words with these sounds. A is for elephant. A, elephant. A is for eggplant. A, eggplant. A is for egg. A, egg. A is for excavator. A, excavator. A is for earth. A, earth. A is for envelope. A, envelope. Thank you very much. Good job. Then letter F. F, frog. F, frog. F, flower. F, flower. F, fire. F, fire. F, fox. F, fox. F, flag. F, flag. Our Ukrainian flag is blue and yellow. Thank you very much for your attempts. And now let's play the game with you. I will put some words on the screen starting from sound A and from sound F. Your task is to say me the odd one. For example, here is a fox, fire, flag, flower, and elephant. What is odd? Of course it is elephant. Flag, fish, fruits, fan, elf. Great, it is elf. Eggplant, egg, envelope, earth, frog. Great, it is frog. Good job.